yung bang business sector ay may tiwala pa sa Marcos administration that it will be able to resolve this problem? Kasi nabanggit din, kasi yesterday we had a story and your VP for Trade, Brian Ang, said that you are not calling for the resignation of the president. Is that correct?
We are not.
Uh-huh.
We are still supporting our president. We are still supporting his policies. We're still behind him.
Kasi tama ka, yung sinasabi mo kanina na habang tumatagal at hindi decisive yung government or yung problema on protest, among others, political instability, mas tumatagal, mas lumalala din yung problema ng business sector.
That is what we're trying to prevent, no? Yung mag-worsen yung instability in the behavior of our people. Yung mainip ba sila? Yung ng press. Are urging our government to please do action as fast as they can. Punish those who are guilty the fastest way that they can. Of course, maintaining the respect to the right of the accused. But, sabi ko nga sa'yo, 120 days na kasi. Guilty. Meron silang mga identified, but those are small fries.